What's going on, everyone? Got a 2022 Toyota GR86 key fob. I'm going to show you how to open it up to replace the battery. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take out the emergency key. You hit this button right here with your thumb and you can pull it out. Now we're going to take this back panel off. And to do that, you have a couple slots here. You have the slot right here on the top that the key fob emergency key came out of. We're not using that. We're using this little baby slot right underneath it. Okay, hopefully you can see that. It has a little dent in it on this one. Someone's been in here before. But this is where we're going to use a small flathead screwdriver. We're going to put it in here, and we're basically going to try to pop this up, okay, or split this in half. So when you start pulling on it, you can see that this corner starts opening up. You're doing it right. All right, so we're going to go ahead and just kind of open it up like that. Take off the cover, the back cover, and there's our battery. All right. Hopefully you can see all that. Use a flathead screwdriver and just, you got to hold on to the circuit board here because it all will come out. And you don't want it to come out because the buttons will fall out. So you can put your thumb on it, put your thumb on the remote, just pry the battery, go after the battery. Take the battery out. I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery is going to be a CR2032 battery. Hopefully you can see that. Might not be able to see that. Anyhow, I'll have the size down in the description box along with a link. It takes you to Amazon if you want to buy a new battery. So go and take a look at that if you want to get one. They're like $1.25. So, but anyways, you get your new battery, and we're going to stick it in the top first. These little feet right here that are going to hold it in. And we're going to snap it in, and it snaps all in. And then you're going to get the back cover. Put it right back on, and this just snaps on. Just going to line it up and snap it on there, hopefully. Okay, you're going to kind of go towards the bottom first. And then you know you got it when you get the emergency key, pop it back in, and you're all done. Well, hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd really appreciate it if you'd leave me a comment. Let me know how it went. Hit the thumbs up button if you could, and I hope to see you again in another video.